Welcome to the video guided tutorial for the judgment form. Select an option from the drop-down menu to indicate why the case is ready for judicial signature. Option 1 indicates on to paragraph 2, custody of the children. Select an option from the drop-down menu. Next, onto the provisions for real property, personal property, and debt distribution. Paragraph 8, spousal support. Fill out this paragraph. Paragraph 10, former name of spouse. For options 1 and 3, a judgment debtor is the person who owes the child support obligation. This is the spouse who is to pay child support. Write in the child support figures for the judgment. First, write in the total amount of child support awarded here. This number may come from the Child Support Guidelines worksheet, as indicated here. The entries under the judgment amount should be populated based on information inputted in paragraph 8 above. Once you have completed this judgment and all forms required before submission of the judgment to the court, a judge may sign the judgment and you and the respondent will be officially divorced. That concludes your video tutorial on the judgment.